How you doing, everyone? It's Kevin back with another video. If you guys remember, a little while back we did a video on a microscope. I found another use for this microscope. We've been working at the mini barn dominium, putting up the drywall, and I have been getting the little metal little bowlings in my thumb, and I found an easy way to get them out. I turn on the microscope, put it underneath there, and I can find them really easy and dig them out, which they're a really pain because they hurt like crazy. Every time you grab something, it wants to pinch you. So let me show you how this thing works. Okay, you can actually see the little thing in my finger right there. So I have to work with this under the microscope. So I'm not looking at my finger because I can't see it with my eye, but you could see it with the microscope. See that right there? That's what I'm trying to get out. It's hard to keep it in focus. See that big thing right there? It's huge in there, but it's actually really small. So I'll try to pull that sucker out with my finger. You can see that piece of metal stuck right down in my finger. Let's see if we can get the tweezers in there and get it out with a set of tweezers. Get them in there. See, it's still down in there pretty deep. It's hard for me to keep the camera on. I've been getting these every night. I have to come home and I use this microscope to dig these guys out of my hand. But that microscope, without it, I can't really even see it. That's crazy how big it is in the microscope, but I can't see it with my naked eye. See how big that daggone thing is. Now if I could add another hand and get my tweezers in there and get it out, but I can't. See if I can get the tweezers down in there. We've got some of the skin pulled away from it. Some of them are so tough to get out. I have to dig at it some more. They hurt. If I can get a better look at it here, I can find it again. Let me do a little focus here. Man, that thing's hard to get out. Now without the microscope, I couldn't get this thing out at all, I guarantee you that. Every time my finger moves just a little bit, it takes it out of the camera, or it takes it off the microscope. I just gotta keep digging at it until I get it out. That little sucker hurts, I know that. I'm just peeling the skin away from it. Same as you would a splinter. Just digging a hole. I'm gonna try my tweezers again here and see if I can get it out. It's in there pretty deep. Some of these can be really hard to get out. That thing's pretty big, but it's small, but it hurts, man. Oh, I got it. Right there it is. You can see how big that thing is. That's the piece that was in my finger right there. Those little boogers get me every time. I actually got probably, I don't know, every single night we've been putting the drywall in, I've taken out at least one every night, sometimes 3. And they're hard to get out, and they get stuck down in your finger, and you just, I mean, every time you touch something, it hurts. But that microscope has come in super handy for this. It has been a blessing. Because I can't see them with my naked eye, but I know they're in there. You can feel them. So that definitely is worth this microscope. I didn't have to go to the doctors and get them pulled out, and I didn't have to deal with them for months waiting on them to come out. So that's one out. I think I'm good for the night, and I think we're just about done with all the drywall, so hopefully I won't get any more. So I would like to tell everybody thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me thumbs up, thumbs down, or a comment if you'd like. And I'll leave a link in the description down below for this microscope. Now if you're working in a garage or you're doing a lot of metal work or outside work and you get that splinter in your hand and you can't find it or you can't see it, this is definitely the machine for that job. And I will definitely remember this thing when it comes to getting them splinters out of my hand that I cannot get out. Till next time.